IBR हीरोज के मजेदार 67वें संस्करण में आप जानेंगे कि तमिलनाडु के गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज में एक व्यक्ति ने ऐसा क्या करके दिखाया कि बन गए IBR अचीवर। नागपुर महाराष्ट्र से किस छोटे से बच्चे ने अपनी तेज बुद्धि का प्रमाण देते हुए बनाया कीर्तिमान, ये भी आपको बताएंगे। मुंबई महाराष्ट्र के एक छोटे से बच्चे ने इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में अपना नाम दर्ज किया गणित को कुछ इस तरह समझते हुए कि आप हैरान रह जाएंगे। और कर्नाटक की किस बालिका ने योग के सबसे ज्यादा आसनों को करके बनाया कीर्तिमान, उनसे भी आपको मिलवाएंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का मजेदार सफर।
Every minute inside an ICU can mean the difference between life and death. Now imagine being trusted to lead one of the most critical intensive care units before the age of 30. Meet Dr. Aravind M., a young doctor from Tamil Nadu whose extraordinary journey has earned him the prestigious title of an IBR achiever. Born on October 24, 1996 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, Dr. Aravind M. reached an extraordinary milestone at just 29 years of age. On December 6, 2025, he was appointed as the in charge of the Tertiary Intensive Care Unit ICU at Government Medical College, Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh, a position entrusted only to professionals capable of leading one of the hospital's most demanding departments. His achievement was officially confirmed on March 7, 2026 by the India Book of Records. Receiving this title is a recognition of excellence, leadership, and unwavering dedication to healthcare. It reflects the trust placed in Dr. Aravind to guide critical care services where every decision has the potential to save lives. This honor celebrates not only professional success but also a deep commitment to public service. Now let's hear what Dr. Aravind has to say about his journey so far.
So, how do you guide or coordinate your medical team in any emergency or critical situation?
So emergency is not a rare thing in the critical care unit. It is a part and parcel. So all the people are always prepared for the emergency, which means right from having an emergency drug card and airway card, it should be checked daily with the amount of drugs and the expiry which is there. It is checked by a person. The pharmacist usually checks the drug cards in each of these ICU cubicles every day, so that when we have a patient, when we use those drugs in the emergency, we don't run out of drugs or we don't run out of equipment. So this is emergency preparedness is always there. And also we have checklist. For example, when we have to plan for a patient during the emergency, I cannot be saying you bring this thing, you bring this thing, and the nursing staff cannot also remember all these things. So we have made the checklist and it has been sticked at the appropriate places. When we have to intubate, what are the things that should be kept ready? When we have to put a central line, what are the things that has to be kept ready? In this way, we have protocolized so many things so that we are always prepared for the emergency. And during emergency, while I am handling also, we ensure a closed loop communication and everyone's role is assigned, so that when I give a work, not 2-3 persons run for the same, or the people are not confused about their roles.
So I also want to know about your memorable case. Which case you are deeply influenced or it was still in your memories?
So all these during my career, during all these days, I have been in one of the top 10 institutes in India. One is the Christian Medical College, Vellore, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, and Safdarjung Hospital. Then later I have come to a center where usually patients are being referred to such centers. When you are there, you can take a patient or you can deny a patient. But right now I am in a place where I have to refer such patients to there. So usually I have decreased the number of referrals to such centers drastically. The number of patients who are being referred are very minimal or almost negligible after I joined. So in such cases, a quite critical case of complex tuberculous meningoencephalitis, which is grade 4, has been admitted in our ICU. I have treated that patient and discharged after a month. Within next 10 days, the patient again got in the ICU with a lower limb deep venous thrombosis because they are not able to care for the patient properly. So then again I treated, then I discharged the patient. Within another 10 days, the patient again came back with a breast sore. Because with such a comorbid patient, usually the patient is a son and only the older mother is there. She is not able to lift him up or take care of him very well. So with the third admission, I felt, so why did I even save this patient? Because even after curing all these things, they are not able to take care of the patient well. If the patient had died earlier, the mother would not have been suffering so much things. Then I have made the patient perfectly fine. Then I have referred the patient to higher center, which is SGPJ Lucknow. There the patient stayed for 1-2 days and nothing happened, and they came back even with a recommendation letter from the MLA of the Pilibhit. So then the patient came in the newspaper and multiple other things. Then the district magistrate, he himself took the patient and came to our ICU and admitted. So this showed me that I am wrong. The persistence of the mother, she can take. So their will persistence. It's our role. Our role is mainly to give the treatment and not to focus on how they are going to take care of these things, because definitely they will be able to take care of the patient. That's why they are coming again and again. So that's one of the most influential cases which I have seen.
How did you feel after receiving the IBR Achievers Award from the India Book of Records?
Yes. So I should say it's a rare honor. Usually people work a lot, but they don't get the kind of recognition which they deserve. So in this way, I see this recognition is not only a recognition of me, it's a recognition for the entire team.
Featured in several newspapers for his accomplishments and remarkable work, Dr. Arvind's achievement stands as an inspiring example. Well, this isn't just the story of a doctor. It's the story of responsibility, courage, and a commitment to saving lives when every second matters. Dr. Arvind's journey reminds us that one determined individual can positively influence countless lives. From the city of Erode to leading a critical care unit in Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Arvind M has shown what passion, discipline, and compassion can achieve. Congratulations to Dr. Arvind M on being recognized as an IBR Achiever, and also congratulations for his journey so far. Because true success isn't measured by titles alone. It's measured by the lives you protect, the hope you give, and the future you inspire.
सिर्फ 4 साल की उम्र में दुनिया के 150 देशों के फ्लैग्स पहचानकर, उनके नाम और उनकी कैपिटल्स भी बताकर एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी अचीवमेंट हासिल की है नागपुर महाराष्ट्र के अंगद तेजस पाटिल ने। जी हाँ, अंगद के सामने अलग अलग देशों के फ्लैग्स वाले फ्लैश कार्ड एक एक करके दिखाए गए। हर फ्लैग को देखकर उन्हें उस कंट्री का नाम और उनकी कैपिटल तुरंत रिकॉल करनी थी। एक के बाद एक फ्लैग सामने आते गए और अंगद पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस और कंसंट्रेशन के साथ आंसर देते रहे। सिर्फ फ्लैग्स पहचानना नहीं, बल्कि 150 कंट्रीज की कैपिटल्स को भी याद रखना उनकी रिमार्केबल मेमोरी और लर्निंग एबिलिटी को दिखाता है। सबसे खास बात यह है कि अंगद ने पूरा चैलेंज सिर्फ 8 मिनट्स एंड 20 सेकंड्स में कंप्लीट किया। उन्होंने ये रिकॉर्ड सिर्फ 4 साल 11 महीने और 16 दिन की उम्र में बनाया, जिसे 17 जून 2026 को ऑफिशियली इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में कंफर्म किया गया। तो चलिए अब आपको मिलवाते हैं अंगद और उनके पेरेंट्स मिस रोहिणी एंड मिस्टर तेजस पाटिल से और जानते हैं इस क्यूट लिटिल बॉय के बारे में।
Angad, in which class are you and what is your school name?
My school name is DPS Nihan.
And the class name?
Prep Cubs.
Okay. Mr. Patil, do you have any future plans for him?
Actually, we have kept it open. We think that whatever talent he has, he will show, and we'll guide him, and we'll definitely guide him, but we'll support him entirely whatever he chooses.
Okay. The answer was very beautiful indeed. Ma'am, do you have any special plans? Do you think that your child can become this or that, or he's just free? He can do anything?
No. He is completely free.
He is just a child. He wishes sometimes that he should be a firefighter. For now, his dream is to become a firefighter, and we are okay with that also.
Okay, Angad, do you want to become firefighter?
Yes.
Okay, what firefighters do? क्या करते हैं firefighters?
And देखिए वो बेल बजती और सब लोग फटाफट बैठते फायर ट्रक में और फास्ट चला के उधर पहुंचते, फिर उधर आगे जाके फिर से वहाँ।
Okay, तो अभी आपको you want to become firefighter, right? Okay. Ma'am, before we wrap up, please tell me that how was your overall experience with India Book of Records?
बहुत अच्छा हमारा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। पिछले बार अंगद बहुत छोटा था तो हमें वो एविडेंसेस और सब कलेक्ट करने में थोड़ी डिफिकल्टीज गई, लेकिन इस बार अंगद भी थोड़ा बड़ा था, हमको भी सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस पता थे, तो इस बार बहुत इजी हो गया, क्वाइट इजी था।
And with especially India Book of Records, it was effortless. Even the application was simple, and the support from the staff was also incredible.
That's good to hear. फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स का कोई रिएक्शन आप ऐसा बताना चाहेंगे अंगद के रिकॉर्ड कंफर्मेशन पर जो आपको इस वक्त याद आ रहा हो?
Everyone is very delighted, especially his grandfather and grandmother are very delighted. He's everywhere in the news and everywhere, and everybody is happy, and everybody is feeling so proud that at such a young age he has achieved this feat.
Okay. From our side, we wish all the best to Ankad for all his future endeavors.
इतनी छोटी उम्र में वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफी की इतनी शानदार नॉलेज हासिल करना आसान नहीं होता। इसके पीछे अंगद के पेरेंट्स, फैमिली और वेल विशर्स का रेगुलर सपोर्ट रहा है।
I feel very proud being a grandpa of Angad. His amazing focus is due to his parents only. Angad is my best friend.
Angad is a very brilliant and intelligent boy. His great achievement makes us feel very happy as his Dada and Dadi.
Hi, I have recently come to know a remarkable achievement of my nephew Angad Patil from Nagpur, that he has successfully achieved a record of identifying flags of 150 different countries. It is indeed a great achievement at this age. I wish Angad all the very best. Keep shining and keep exploring.
Hey Angad, congratulations for an incredible achievement of naming 150 countries by their capitals by identifying their flags. As a teacher, I am immensely proud of you. Keep up the good work, Angad.
अंगद मेरे बहुत करीबी फ्रेंड का लड़का है, उसके ये सेकंड रिकॉर्ड के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। वैसे मैं उसे बचपन से जानता हूँ तो मुझे इसमें कोई सरप्राइज नहीं है कि उसे ये सेकंड रिकॉर्ड मिला है। वो बचपन से ही टैलेंटेड है और मैं बहुत प्राउड हूँ उसकी अचीवमेंट के लिए।
Angad Patil, son of Tejas and Rohini Patil, have been our neighbors for last 7+ years now. His son has got an extraordinary talent of remembering the flags and capitals of 150+ countries, and he's been recognized by the Indian Book of Records with a certificate and a medal. We wish him all the best, and he's definitely going to have a great future ahead. Thank you.
अंगद के ये अचीवमेंट बताती है कि बच्चों की लर्निंग एबिलिटीज को सही डायरेक्शन और एनकरेजमेंट मिले तो वो बहुत कम उम्र में ही एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी रिजल्ट्स हासिल कर सकते हैं। वेल डन अंगद तेजस पाटिल, वी आर प्राउड ऑफ यू।
मुंबई महाराष्ट्र के प्रियांश प्रणय कामले ने कम उम्र में ही अपनी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी मेमोरी और कैलकुलेशन स्किल्स से एक शानदार उपलब्धि अपने नाम की है। जिस उम्र में ज्यादातर बच्चे सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स सीख रहे होते हैं, उसी उम्र में प्रियांश ने एक्सपोनेंशियल पास ऑफ 2 जैसे चैलेंजिंग मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट को याद करके एक रिकॉर्ड बनाया। 1 सितंबर 2020 को जन्मे प्रियांश ने ये उपलब्धि केवल 5 वर्ष 9 महीने और 22 दिन की उम्र में हासिल की और उनका ये रिमार्केबल रिकॉर्ड 23 जून 2026 को ऑफिशियली कंफर्म किया गया इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स द्वारा। प्रियांश ने 2 की पावर 1 से लेकर 2 की पावर 30 तक यानी कि कुल 30 एक्सपोनेंशियल पावर्स ऑफ 2 बिना रुके केवल 52 सेकंड्स में रिसाइट कर दिखाई। 2, 4, 8, 16 से शुरू होने वाली ये नंबर सीरीज जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ती है, वैल्यूज तेजी से बड़ी होती जाती हैं। ऐसे में हर नंबर को सही सीक्वेंस में याद रखना और इतनी कम उम्र में इतनी तेजी से बोलना सच में रिमार्केबल है। इतनी छोटी उम्र में 30 एक्सपोनेंशियल पास को कॉन्फिडेंटली रिकॉल करना प्रियांश की स्ट्रॉन्ग लर्निंग एबिलिटी और शार्प मेमोरी का बेहतरीन उदाहरण है। तो चलिए अब आपको मिलवाते हैं प्रियांश प्रणय कामले से और साथ ही उनकी मदर धनाक्षी से भी और जानते हैं इस रिकॉर्ड जर्नी के बारे में सब कुछ।
Priyansh, you have framed a beautiful record with India Book of Records. Can you please explain your record?
On instead of 2, raised to power of 0 to 2 raised to the power of 33.
He is very nice child, framed a very good record in a very minimum time. So we have her mother. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, all good ma'am.
Ma'am, I just want to have your introduction so that our audience could come to know about you.
Yeah, sure. So I'm Dhanakshi Kamble, mother of this cutest kid. So I'm working as an IT engineer. So my husband is a Pranay Kamble, but currently he's not with us because he's out of town. So yeah, that's it about ourselves.
इतनी powers को याद करना, इस पूरे प्रोसीजर को ग्रैब करने में इसको कितना टाइम लगा?
एक्चुअली टाइम लगा, मतलब कैसे कि वो तो है ना, आप देखोगे ना कि वो जो उसको हम लोग ने टैबलेट भी दिया है ना, वो नंबर से करता है. सो ही जस्ट इनटू द नंबर्स कि बस उसको नंबर से चाहिए, मतलब वो स्टार्टिंग टू एंड बस नंबर से देखता रहेगा. सुबह उठेगा, बुक लेगा, तभी भी नंबर से राइट करेगा. तो टाइम वैसे हम लोग कैलकुलेट नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि उसको कैसे अगर एक बार आप नंबर दिखा दोगे ना, ही जस्ट मेमोराइज, बस एक बार वो 1-2 बार रीड कर लेगा ना. मतलब एक्चुअली कैसे था कि इसका जो ये था कि 2 raised to power of 28 तक की था, ठीक है. तो मैंने उसको 29 और 30 का दिया, तो विद इन 5 seconds ही जस्ट मेमोराइज दैट नंबर एंड ही स्टार्टेड रिसाइटिंग. तो मतलब मे बी लाइक वी वर आल्सो शॉक कि बाबा ये इतना स्पीड कैसे हो गया इसका. सो एक्चुअली इसका तो हमको भी नहीं पता है कि बाबा हाउ ही इज मेमोराइजिंग एवरीथिंग.
सो प्रियांश, लाइक व्हाट डू यू लाइक द मोस्ट इन मैथ्स?
But what exactly in numbers? What do you like to do with numbers?
Addition, multiplication, division, subtraction.
Okay, you like everything.
And PEMDAS rule.
So what is a PEMDAS? Explain to her. What is a PEMDAS rule?
PEMDAS rule means P stands for parenthesis, E stands for explanation, M stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction.
एक्चुअली मुझे आई जस्ट वांटेड टू एक और मुझे बताना है कि ये ना AI को भी चैलेंज करता है.
Known as the math magician at his school, he has won several medals and certificates for his outstanding achievements. Well, प्रियांश की ये उपलब्धि हमें बताती है कि मैथमेटिक्स सिर्फ किताबों और कैलकुलेशंस तक सीमित नहीं है. अब जरा ये भी सुनिए.
Congratulations, Priyansh! Our little champ is officially an Indian Book of Record holder. So proud of you, Priyansh. This is just a beginning. God bless you with a lot of opportunities and achievements. Keep shining, my champ.
Congratulations, Priyansh.
Congratulations, Priyansh.
Congratulations, Priyansh, on your very bigger success. Wishing you all the best as you celebrate this. Congratulations, Priyansh, for your big achievement. All the best for your bright future. Congratulations, Priyansh. Congratulations, Priyansh. Hello, Priyansh.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I am also happy for you and we are also proud of you. Congratulations. Take care. Bye.
Priyansh, I wish you can got more recordings like this. Good luck.
All the best.
All the best. Congratulations, Priyansh, and all the best. Congratulations, Priyansh. I'm proud of you. Congrats, Priyansh. We are proud of you.
Congratulations, Priyansh, to holding India's Book of Records. We wish you to grow in your career like this as well.
Congratulations, Priyansh. All the best for your futures.
सही गाइडेंस और लगातार अभ्यास के साथ बच्चे कठिन से कठिन मैथमेटिकल पैटर्न्स को भी आसानी से समझ और याद कर सकते हैं. प्रियांश की ये सफलता उन सभी बच्चों के लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन है जो नंबर्स और मैथमेटिक्स की दुनिया में कुछ अलग और एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी करना चाहते हैं. ऐसी ही अनोखी प्रतिभाओं और असाधारण उपलब्धियों को पहचान देता है इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स.
Hello everyone. I did India Book of Record by doing 310 asanas in 33 seconds. Yoga is perfect to my health because it's good for health. I am so proud of me and my friends, teachers, parents are very proud of me. So thank you IBR team to encourage me. Thank you.
Yoga, a timeless practice that nurtures physical strength, mental focus, flexibility and emotional balance. When a child successfully performs the maximum number of yoga poses, The accomplishment represents far more than a display of flexibility. It reflects discipline, perseverance, and a commitment to personal growth from an early age. B.K. Sinchana of Karnataka, India performed 310 yoga poses in 33 minutes and 53 seconds on the occasion of International Yoga Day at the age of 12. Navakasana, Ardha Padma Hindulasana, Markatasana, Parsava Dhanurasana, and Padma Danda Namaskaraasana were among so many others which B.K. Sinchana performed beautifully and with ease. Mastering a wide range of yoga postures requires consistent practice, concentration, body awareness, and patience. Each pose challenges different muscles and improves balance, coordination, and endurance. Achieving such a milestone shows that with determination and proper guidance, one can develop remarkable physical and mental capabilities while embracing a healthy lifestyle. We met with B.K. Sinchana and talked about her record. Let's have a glimpse.
When did you realize that you have interest in yoga?
I have realized that from 7 months I have interest in yoga.
And who is teaching you yoga at home, or who is doing this at home?
Mother is a guru for me and father is a good supporter.
Okay. So, how much time did you take to perform all these yoga asanas?
From 2 hours, 1 hour to morning, 1 hour to evening.
Okay. So, did it tire you? Did it make you tired?
No, I practice daily, so it is not tired to me.
Okay. So, in which school are you? In which class are you? And which is your favorite subject and your hobbies?
I am studying in Business Public School, Madanadu, in 7th standard. My subject, every subject I like.
So you like going to school, basically?
Yes.
And what are the activities that you enjoy in school?
Yes, ma'am, I enjoy to go to school.
Okay. So, Sinchana, when you made this record of performing the maximum yoga asanas, how did you feel when you came to know that you have made a beautiful record? So, how was your reaction? What was your feeling?
I am so happy and proud when I create a new record.
Okay. And what was the reaction of your classmates, your friends, your relatives, your family, and of course the school teachers?
My teachers, friends, and everyone feel very happy and proud.
Are you going to a special institution to learn yoga?
No, I am learning at home only.
Okay. Many children of your age would be wanting to make records like you have made. So what is the message that you would like to give their passion, their talent?
They should yoga and they should keep their health healthy and do not watch the mobile and help your parents, respect to the elders. Everyone can do the achievement, but they should do hard work and need the blessings of God, encouragement of parents, and well-wishers. From this only everyone can do the achievement.
You wanted to say something more?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Idea, to support me.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
When did your mother realize that you can make a beautiful record out of your performance?
My mother realized that from 1 month, my mother realized that I can do a record.
Performing the maximum number of yoga poses is not just a personal success. It is a celebration of the values that yoga teaches: discipline, harmony, resilience, and mindfulness. Besides yoga, Sinchana shows her interest in swimming and is a proud recipient of many certificates and awards. Now let's hear what her well-wishers have to say about her.
ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಚನ.
ಮಲೆನಾಡಿನ ಬಾಲ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಕುಮಾರಿ ಸಿಂಚನ ಅದ್ವಿತೀಯ ಯೋಗಪಟು. ಈಕೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಲವಷ್ಟು ವಿಶ್ವ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಯೋಗ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಡೆದಿರ್ತಾಳೆ.
ಮಲೆನಾಡಿನ BGS ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ, 6ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಕಳೆದ 2 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕೊಡಗಿನಾದ್ಯಂತ ಯೋಗದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ.
B.K. Sinchana's accomplishment in this field encourages others to recognize the lifelong benefits of yoga and inspires our generation to pursue health, confidence, and inner strength. Good job, BK Sinchana. At this young age, indeed, you have achieved a lot.
अगले हफ्ते इसी समय दोबारा आपसे एक दिलचस्प मुलाकात होगी कुछ नए कीर्तिमान बनाने वालों के साथ इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के एक नए हीरोज एडिशन में।